we are going to continue talking about jhana, which is that first limb of yoga, which are practices to calm down the conscious mind. It regulates our external expressions, our connection with other people. So we already saw ahimsa, so that was number 1. So today we'll go to number 2 is Satya, the second practice of jhana. So that point number 1 has 5 sub-points. So ahimsa is 1, Satya is the next one. What is this Satya? Satya is the benevolent use of words. We relate to external entities, especially other people, through words. We talk to them, we say things. So these words have a lot of energy. They have a lot of force. They carry so much energy with them. So what is the best use? I could say that one should speak always the truth. But the truth is not enough. Because sometimes the truth can cause harm, can hurt somebody in a bad way. So we don't want that. So we want the truth, yes, we do want the truth, but we want to add something to it. We want to add welfare, of benevolence. So the words that we use must bring the welfare to the other people, must bring benevolence with it. So it is truth plus benevolence equal Satya. So Satya, it's a very difficult art, but through practice we can improve it. We can get better and better on it, with it. So Satya is the benevolent use of words with truth and welfare. So that is the point, Satya, how I use my words to relate with other people. How to practice Satya? I have to do it consciously. So every time I interact with somebody and I'm gonna speak something, I should take ideation. I should think within myself that now it's an opportunity for me to practice Satya. So by taking that conscious ideation, it already changes something, because I start thinking a little bit deeper which words I use and what's my intention. And it can be in any occasion. Suppose I go to the supermarket and I'm paying to the cashier. I can already think that my words should be sweet and bring some positivity to this person. So that is a simple way how to practice Satya. You start with that inner ideation before you speak, that this is the moment I have, the opportunity I have to use Satya, to practice Satya. So that's every time I'm going to speak, every time I'm going to say words to other people. That's the moment to practice Satya. So you can imagine that we have many opportunities during the day to practice it. And therefore, the more we practice, the more we can become an expert on it. So that is about Satya.